Let's say the editing phase is done and we are now to transition to the next phase, which is editing. I will choose a sample album. Let's say episode 4. Change the phase from editing to disseminating. I will add a new task status message. The first task is for the executive to upload the full transcript of the episode to ChatGPT to generate a YouTube SEO optimized title and description. I will mark it as done, and I don't want to send a Google Chat message. Let's go over to the next steps. Letter B, executive creates the episode thumbnail or assigns another technician to create it. Next is executive shares titles, descriptions, and thumbnails to client for final revision. The client reviews and approves assets. Now, this last step here is the most important part because it is here where we give specific instructions to the disseminating team. Executive gives task to disseminating team to schedule at least 48 hours before disseminating date time. I am just going to copy a sample disseminating instruction from Manu and paste it here as an example. It have here the asset, then the link, and the disseminating date and time and what platform. Once everything is okay, I'm going to leave the status to in progress and send Google Chat message, yes, and I'm going to send that Google Chat message to the disseminating team. Let's save. If I am going to take a look at the disseminating team's chat, here is the received disseminating task. Context disseminating team, the task, attention, disseminating team. Executive gives task to disseminating team to schedule at least 48 hours before disseminating date time. Here is the instructions, the asset, the link, disseminating day and time, and on which platform. Right there. There is also a link where the disseminating team records their work diary, but this is for another video or topic for them. Wrapping up, why is it important to use AppSheet to send out disseminating tasks? There are a couple of reasons. One is you get to check if you are following the steps correctly through the task status message. Two is we get to have a stored data of the disseminating task together with the different assets. Number three, there is no need to open Google Chats just to initiate a thread. And number four, the disseminating team will be able to log their work diary using the same generated thread.